Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a pattern of bodice block that is without darts. So for that, things you require: drafting paper, measuring tape, French curve, which is the most important for bodice block drafting, straight scale, eraser and mechanical pencil. So let's start. The measurements which I am going to use for this pattern is: waist length is 15 inches. So first of all, our waist length is 15 inches. So mark a point on a 15 inch. So this is my 15 inches point, the length of the bodice block, and the round bust of my measurement is 34 inches, and here I took the measurement is half of round bust plus 1 inch extra. So that is 17 plus 1, 18. So if your measurements are different, suppose your round bust is 36 and then here your measurement will be 19 inches, 18 plus 1, and my is 34, that is 17. 34 divided by 2, that is 17, and plus 1 inch extra for ease. So this is 15 and this is 18. Make a rectangle box. So after making this rectangle box, I will mark a point A, B, C, D. So after that, mark a center point between A and C, that is 18 inches, and mark a point in center. So I will mark a point at 9 inches, and same on B and D. Mark a point that is in center. After marking a point in center, make a straight line. So this is our center line. After that, mark a point in center of CD and AB. So this is 15 inches and I will mark a point in center, that is 8.5 inches. And same on other side. And I will make a straight line. So it will look like this. So this is a center line which I have marked between A and C. I will make a point E on the starting and F on the end. And this is the point, center point, which is in between A and B, and I will mark a point G. and at end it is H. So this is our front part and this is our back part. So now coming to point A, I will make a neckline for front part and I will take a measurement of 3 inches. First of all, I will mark 3 inches on this line and 3 inches on downside. And this is my neckline. And this is point A1 and this is point A2. So using a French curve, I will make a neckline. So this is my neckline. If you want to change the measurements, you can also change. And now I will make the point of across shoulder, and across shoulder measurement is 15 inches, and for that I will mark the half of across shoulder, and my measurement is 15 inches, so I will mark 7.5. So from point this, this is my point which is 7.5 inches, and I will make a point of I here. Now moving further, this is my point J, and now on this line which is center front line, I will mark a point which is across shoulder minus 0.5 inches, and here I have marked a point of across shoulder which is 7.5, and here I will mark 0.7 inches, that is across shoulder minus half inches. So after that I will mark a point of 7 inches here which is K, and now I will join the line I and K. So now after that I will take a point from I to the downwards, that is 1.2 inches, 1 inches plus 2 lines. This is my drop shoulder point and I will mark it I1. So after making the point, I will mark a straight line joining A1, that is A1 and I1. So moving downward, this is our point BF, and this is our round waist which is 28 inches, and now I will mark a point. From point B I will make a point L which is 7 inches, that means 1/4 of round waist, and round waist is 28 inches and 1/4 of 28 is 7 inches. This is our point which is 1/4 of round waist, it is 7 inches. So after making the point L, join it with J in a straight line. Here is point J and I will make a straight line joining both the points. So after making this line, now I will make a armhole which is joining I1 and J in a curved line with the help of French curve. So now the front part of body's block is completed. Now I will do the cutting. So this is our front body's block, and now we will make the back body's block. For that, from C I will mark a point for a neckline, back neckline. I will mark a point of 3 inches. So this is my point C1, and as we know the back neckline is higher than the front neckline, so I will make a point of 1.5 inches above C1, and I have marked a point that is C2. This is half inches and this is 3 inches. Now I will make a curve from C2 to C. So after making a curve, I will mark a point M, which is half of across shoulder, 7.5 inches from point C. So this is point M. After this I will make a point from M1 to downward, that is 0.5 inches. It is point M1. Now I will make a straight line from C2 to M1, joining both the points. So moving downward, this is point J and this is point H. So on this line I will make a point of 7.5 inches. So this is my point of 7.5 inches, which is end point. So after that I will join point M1 and N in a straight line. After that I will make a curve joining point M and J. So after making this curve, now move to the bottom, that is our waistline. Now I will mark a point O on this line, waistline, which is 7 inches, 1/4 of round waist. Now join the point J and point O. And this is our back bodice block, which is ready. Now I will cut it out. So this is our back bodice block, and this is our front bodice block, and bodice block are ready. Hope you all understand. Then please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you.